Hello everybody, hey mates, what's up? I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to start a new series that's related to build a private crypto shop on WordPress. I do it step by step, and the reason I shift from the Telegram to the WordPress because here you have fully autonomous on your server. It's mean on your website, it's mean that you have your privacy, you avoid banks, you have independency, and WordPress is open source, so you can tweak it that it will be more privacy focused, and you don't need to provide any of your information because it's self-hosted. Just need to choose a VPS, virtual private server, somewhere on the web, pay with crypto, and you got a server, same for the DNS, the domain, and you can sell whatever you want. You are censorship resistant because you have your own website, and if they take down your website, you just can take the data and set up a website in 5 minutes again, all back up. So it's gonna be on the fly series. First, I will show you how to choose a virtual private server that's totally private. It's not anonymous, it's private. I don't want to make it anonymous because I don't want it will be on the gray area. I want everything to be legal. So basically many of the online shops tutorials assume that you'll use traditional banks, PayPal, credit card, but those methods expose your data and your customer data, and it can always be cancelled, censored, or they can steal your money. So if you use a crypto, you have full privacy of your customers, and you're accepting any crypto you want, Monero, Bitcoin, Lightning, and WordPress is fixable and privacy-friendly platform. The first chapter, I will show you how to choose privacy-focused provider that take crypto, domain name, or subdomain name. There are free domain names for a couple of bucks. Install the WordPress from scratch on your server. Then create wallets for the crypto coins you would like to get. Basic knowledge about WordPress dashboard. A couple of tools we use in this series. It's WooCommerce. That's the main plugin for your shop. It's open source. You can disable all the tracking. And then you need to get a crypto payment gateway, like full private with no KYC. Then we will set up a WordPress privacy and security plugins and firewall and limit login attempts and cover us with masking our IP, prevent denial of service. And if you're really paranoid, you can use Tor and VPN to access your admin panel. So we start with set up the WordPress site, then we design the shop with privacy in mind, configure the crypto payment, add products. I'll show you like many types of products, like simple product with variations, digital projects. Excel, you can do drop shipping if you want, crypto to fiat. If you want stash crypto without go via exchange, you can sell stuff, get paid with crypto, provide the product with a fiat. Okay, so stay tuned. We will start soon with the first setting. I don't want to make this video technical, just an introduction. As usual, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the first technical chapter. Cheers.